Hey guys, I am going to be showing you how to use the all-new DEFENT Fentanyl 5-pack test strip kit. As you can see, it comes with everything you need to conduct an accurate test. All you need is water and your substance. Step 1, crush and shake your substance if it isn't already. Step 2, you're going to add 5 milliliters of water to the provided measuring cup, and then you're going to add 5 leveled scoops of your powdered substance. And then you're going to mix thoroughly, making sure that your powdered substance gets completely dissolved. Step 3, you're going to hold the test strip up from the black end like this. Then you're going to dip it into the mixture and you're going to wait 15 seconds. Then you are going to lay it flat on a clean surface. Set a timer for 3 minutes for accurate results. Step 4. After 3 minutes is up, it is now safe to interpret the results. We do not recommend interpreting the results prior to 3 minutes. Great! We have 2 solid red lines, which means that our test strip did not detect any fentanyl. If your test comes up positive for fentanyl, you can anonymously report it on our website. This helps us track and warn others about potentially dangerous substances in the community. Just visit the report page on our website and follow the simple steps. Your information stays private, and together we're making a difference. And there you have it. Quick, easy, and safe. At this point, feel free to put your test strip back in its sleeve and throw it away. And remember to always test.